guys, welcome back to my another video. So this is me Aishwarya and I hope that you all are doing good. So this is my another new video, your latest video that I am doing a voiceover in this video after a long time. But yes, I just wanted to give a study update that what I'm doing these days, because in previous videos I was just making videos of study with me, long study with me actually. So yes, here I am. Nothing much, but these days I am just preparing for my annual exams plus practical exams too. So first we have actually chemistry exam on I guess 13th Feb. So yeah, I'm just really scared for a chemistry exam, because we have all the chapters are coming and I have थोड़े बहुत से backlog of chemistry and have one chapter left to study, which is of hydrocarbons. So yeah, just I'm studying GOC of nomenclature topic maybe, and with that I am supposed to complete my practical file, notebook work and all that stuff too, because they contain marks and you are required to give those plus practical book. So yes, I'm busy kind of and lazy too, and sometimes I feel bored too studying and thinking about these all that things about exams and practical files, book, notebook and all that stuff. So yes, I started this making videos again to resume to make my mind fresh, and this is something alag for me, because apart from studies. So yes, I just love making videos for you guys. Keep supporting. Anyways guys, you must also share your study updates in the comment section below. I love to read that. Apart from that, I'm just trying to study chemistry a lot these days, because as I told, I have a lot of backlog. So yes, I'm trying to solve all that questions of MCQs, because in school exams I always make mistakes in MCQs, and MCQs come in 15 to 17 marks in 70 marks of paper. So yes, I try, practice karna makes man perfect. So that's how it is. And for me, chemistry is one of the most boring subject में से एक, क्योंकि chemistry, I think I feel bored when I do chemistry, when I practice chemistry, because I don't like much chemistry, I guess. But yes, it is the main subject, so we need to study. And one more thing guys, these all are clips of I guess of 2-3 days that I shooted. So these clips are not of one day. I cannot study actually these much in a day. So yes, keep that in mind. And here I am, I think, doing biology, which was of photosynthesis chapter, and I think apart from 5 chapters, all that other plant physiology, human physiology, all that chapters are coming. And in our schools, diagrams are so important. In our schools, every school, I mean in CBSE board, सब में diagrams are so important. वो identification के लिए marks आ जाते, you get questions to identify the diagrams. And जो बड़े diagrams जैसे कि chemia, osmosis और Kelvin cycle, उसमें बड़े नंबर के क्वेश्चन आ जाते हैं, and they are they ask to label the diagram and draw the diagram. So diagram is so very important, and exams are also very near. So I'm just doing before these exams. You guys should also practice this, तो नंबर अच्छे मिलेंगे और क्या. The worst part is that in biology paper तुम्हें कोई भी क्वेश्चन है उसमें अगर डायग्राम बुक में दिया है तो तुम्हें बनाना ही पड़ेगा, because they will cut your marks in that basis कि स्कूल NCERT में तो था ही, that was that particular diagram. By the way guys, how much you have covered in physics? Because I think I have almost covered physics syllabus. Only waves part is left, and that's what I'm doing in this lecture. Actually, this clip, I'm watching some lectures and making notes of it and trying to understand all that stuff, that what the chapter contains. So simple harmonic motion or slash oscillations or waves are kind of same chapters or maybe मतलब interconnected है. तो waves काफ़ी boring chapter, I must say that. It becomes थोड़ा सा difficult to imagine what they are saying. Waves, longitudinal, transverse waves. By the way, मतलब बाकी all that stuff is fine, but कभी कभी boring लगता है. But the moment you start solving all the questions of physics, you find interesting. And वही same चीज़ अगर question solve नहीं हो रहे तो एकदम बकवास लगती है. And revision is also left because as I already said, exams are coming. When are your exams are starting? Let me know in the comments. Because हम लोग के तो अभी from the next week of February, जो कि 13 February, मतलब almost next week से ही start हो रहे हैं. And February has already started. So yes, practical exams भी अभी, in this week we'll have our practical exams of all the 3 subjects, which is physics, chemistry and biology. So yes, wish me a luck and all the best to you two guys to prepare your all annual exams, and do good practice and keep watching my vlogs.